Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can bring power off menu in the power button of your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First, I press this power button, long press, and what will happen? Google Assistant will open. Okay, it's power off menu is not coming. Okay, for power off menu, you have to press power button and volume up button. Okay, at the same time you have to press power button and volume up button, then power off menu will appear. But if you want to bring this power off button to the power button alone, then yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here and then go to shortcuts and accessibility, then press and hold power button. Click on press and hold power button, and again click on here, press and hold power button, and here select enable the power and emergency menu. Keep this option to the first one. Okay, click on OK. Now try with power button alone. Long press power button. Yes, power off menu is appeared. So in this way you can easily bring back power off menu to the power button itself. Okay, now see what will happen if you press power button and volume up button together. That's also serve the purpose. Okay, so in this way you can easily bring power off button to the power off menu, power off menu to the power off button. Okay, there is power button in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.